Alright, so today we're going to replace the starter motor on this 1999 Mitsubishi Montero, the full size, not the Sport. And just so you guys can kind of hear the difference, this is what a bad starter will sound like. See, it's not really wanting to turn over on you. And here is what a good starter is going to sound like for you. Just starts right up. So that is what we're going to do today. First things first, your starter runs off of your battery, so just so we don't shock ourselves, we're going to have to take this negative terminal off of here. Alright, so we got the terminal off, and now we can get to go underneath. Starter I got for this is an OE Plus Original Equipment Plus Premium Starter. It's just a remanufactured starter, and that's what I'm going to be putting. Alright, and just so you know where your starter is located, this is the passenger side front tire. Your starter is going to be right there. So, first things first, we're going to have to take the wires off, which, if you can see, is that bolt up there. That one. And we're going to take that off, that way we can get these wires off of there. Alright, so got that bolt off of there where those wires were hooked to, and if you look at the end of the wire, there's another plug on it. So there's a bolt for these wires, and there's a plug above that bolt that you'll have to take out. Once you got those two wires off there, you're going to take off this bottom bolt right there. And there's a top one up there. It's going to be hard to get to. We already still got that bottom one off, and now we're going to take that top one. Okay, I ran into a bit of a problem. So, as I said, we got that bottom bolt right there off, but that top one up there, there is like no clearance with this, whatever this exhaust thing is coming down here. There's like no clearance to get a wrench, even to get, I got like it to barely loosen up, and now it's kind of just stuck in there. So I'm trying to get a flexible fitting or something to try to be able to get in that tiny spot. But alrighty, so got the new starter in there. That top bolt was insanely hard to get to because of this guy. So the only way I got to it was using one of these little ratchet wrenches, and it was barely able to get to it from the top because I couldn't even reach it from down here. But now all we got to do left is just hook these wires back up, which is just that one plug and the little nut that goes on that. Alright, got the new starter on, put the battery terminal back on, and the moment of truth. So it runs, that's great. Overall, this project, I would definitely say I would probably have someone else do it if your Montero looks like this. So I got two 1999 full-size Mitsubishi Monteros. My white one has, let's see if I can get the camera to focus down there. All right. It's got that big, like, thing coming off this exhaust. And this green one just has that small pipe. So if you got the small pipe, I think it would be way easier, and you could definitely do it yourself. It's got the big one. I would suggest having someone else do it. Alright, so it's pretty easy. There's 2 bolts and 2 wires, but if you can't get to it, I mean, like, my exhaust was just really giving me a hard time. But if you can't get to it, I would suggest getting someone else to do it. But overall, it's pretty easy if you can get to it. So hopefully you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.